Back in your life, Forex market situation update, guys. We got the New Zealand versus the US dollar. We're breaking into some action. We got the pair coming up and crossing over 68.81, which officially suggests that we have dodged this bullet. Right? I didn't want to come up come out with this too early, but I started to suspect that we've dodged that bullet yesterday when price was pushing forward. I just needed to make sure that it was going to, break 68.81 from below, which it did. So that's really good news, and that actually incentivizes us to double down, which is that's what we were hoping for. I mean, we were almost stopped out on Friday. We were very, very close to get stopped out. Instead, price is back. We're back in business, and now we're doubling up. So here I go. From 10K, we're moving up to 20K, and we're still here. We're still here. This position is still alive and kicking, guys. What do you know? So now price is coming back from the dead, and we expect that it would go straight to the old target, 70.53, the same old target, guys. I want to show you the technical picture. The technical situation here is as follows. We've got the upside leg on the way up. That was back in June. Then we've had this 3-segment move, which we believe was one leg all the way to the lower section of that range. So that was the second leg. Then another Elliott wave cycle, classic 5-wave move, all the way to the upper section, leg number 3. And then 1, 2, 3, ABC, all the way down. Price was basically overextending itself, which is why it spent a couple of days outside of the range, right? Overreach, but now it's coming back, and we know it was basically a false breakdown. That was leg number 4. Now we expect it to come all the way back up and produce leg number 5, and it should reach 70.53 at the very minimum. It could potentially go even beyond and chase the previous highs around 71, right? I want to give you a snapshot to this situation from the monthly perspective. This is why we're still so much encouraged by the situation, because price action, not only we've seen on the daily chart it was crossing over 68.81 right now as we speak, but it shows up a big spike right across that monthly bar, suggesting that not only that it didn't break 68.81, it's not going to. It's just a massive support level, and it will probably push price action all the way to the other side. And as you can see, we're just taking a small move to 70.53. It's not even a big move, but we're still trying to catch that tipping point, which we believe we're looking at right now. So guys, exciting stuff, right? Yeah, we're back on track with the New Zealand versus the US dollar. We do have an obstacle not too far away at 69.62. We'll see how we'll address that obstacle. We might use that obstacle to take some profit off the table, and I'm sure I mean, of course, the trade that we pushed in today, right? That would actually make sense, but we're only going to do that in the case where price action is going to be struggling to break that level. Alright guys, so there you go. Positions getting bigger. Stop loss remains the same, 68, targeting the same old 70.53 level, and I'll leave it at that. We'll be back soon to follow up on the situation. In the meantime, I'll say goodbye, but we're not done yet. We still got a very fascinating situation we need to talk about on the dollar versus the Canadian. So stay tuned.